A local businessman is trying to make the roads safer by changing the way drivers use their horns to communicate.
Our colleague Knutson spoke with him about how he came up with the idea.
When was the last time you used your car horn? Or had a car honk at you?
You hear a honk here, you hear a honk there. What's that mean? No one knows.
Miria CEO and founder Ankit Patel says survey drivers shy away from using their horns because they're viewed by many as a form of aggressive driving.
I don't want my horn to always be this loud, obnoxious tool. I would prefer if I can somehow, control that volume, and we're giving them that control.
The smart horn installs into any 12-volt car and adjusts the horn's tone and volume depending on your speed, like fading intervals at a slower speed, or a high, more urgent volume when driving on a highway. And if your car has braking or collision sensors, the integrated horn will automatically sound.
Think about having to swerve out of the way, take your hand off the wheel, and then use your horn. You're losing a second to 2 seconds at least in doing that.
Patel says horns are the main form of communication between drivers, and Smart Horn gives them a wider vocabulary to use on the road.